Hey y'all, today I'm gonna show you how I make ribs in the oven using Terry Black's barbecue sauce. Let's get into it. I could drink this. No, it's too spicy. Too spicy. Right, boobies? Yeah. So I have a rack of spare ribs here with me. I already patted down all the moisture off of the rack, and I have a couple of spices that I'm gonna be using. I don't use like a pre-made rub. I just make my own, combine all the spices that I love. So here we have black pepper and salt, of course. And then we're going to be using some chili powder, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, ground cumin, and oregano leaves. And last but not least, we are going to be using brown sugar and and later you are going to be needing some barbecue sauce. I love this one from Terry Black's barbecue. It's a spicy one. It's the best barbecue sauce I've ever had. But yeah, just use your favorite one if you can't find this one. All right, so first thing you want to do, like I said before, is just pat down any moisture that is on your ribs. That comes from the packet. Now on the back side of the rib, sometimes you will have this little connective tissue on it. You want to make sure you get rid of that. Not all cuts are going to have it. Some of them are already prepared, but this one just has a little bit here on the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. There we go. All right. You should be able to just pull it all out like that. All right, so here you have your rack of ribs. This is what the front side looks like, and this is what the back side looks like. So now let's go ahead and start the seasoning. Right before you start your seasoning, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now, so basically with all of these spices, you just want to get one layer on top and on underneath as well. So we're going to do everything on top first, and then we're going to flip it around and then put everything on the bottom. So first, black pepper. Just a light layer of black pepper. Okay, now salt. Freshly cracked salt. Now let's do ground cumin. Okay. Now this is some oregano leaves. Let's do some paprika. Cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, kitty. All right, go ahead and rub all those spices in. Make sure those ends get some of the seasoning too, because sometimes that's the best part. Okay, now I'm going to add the brown sugar over top. All right, now we're going to flip it and do the same thing on the other side. I forgot to add olive oil. Let me do that real quick. Okay, you pour this on there first. But I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll just it will just help the meat to get kind of crispy a little bit. So I'll just pour it on top of the seasonings on this other side. Okay guys, so our rack is ready and seasoned, ready to go in the oven. So let's go ahead and get a baking sheet. And I have mine right here, and I already have parchment paper on it. Now I think this rack is a little too big for it, so I'm gonna have to cut it in half. Oops. Okay, ooh, yeah, that looks so good. Here we go. Perfect, yay, it fits. Okay, so take that off, clean hand. All right, so here we have our rack. Cut it in half, seasoned, ready to go. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Okay. And then we'll be ready to take, after 2 hours, we'll take it out and put some barbecue sauce on it. All right. Okay guys, so it's been 2 hours since we put our ribs in the oven, so let's go ahead and take them out. Ooh. Man, that looks good. Yay. Alrighty, so at this point, we're going to raise the temperature up to 400. And we are going to take out the parchment paper and add some barbecue sauce. Okay. There we go. First one. Okay, so now we will add this back on so we can put the barbecue sauce on it. Ooh, yes. Sure to rub it all over. Now flip it over and do the same thing. This is what they look like. Man, that looks good. Okay. Now, back here. Ten-minute timer. Bam. All right. Okay guys, so 10 minutes is up and we are just going to hit the broil setting for just like 2 minutes, just to give it a last crisp, because it is looking so good. Okay, 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel that and take these ribs out of the oven because they are sizzling and popping in there. Ooh, don't pop on me. All right, let's take them out, take them out. Okay. Oh, they look so good. Let me show you guys. Come on over here. Oh my God, they look really good. All right guys, and these are ready to go. Okay guys, so here I'm gonna go ahead and slice up the ribs. So what you wanna do is you wanna turn it around so you can see where the bones are, and you're just gonna slice right in between. So just like this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm used to working with the baby back ribs, so these spare ribs are a little different. But I've done it with spare ribs before and it's still good, so. It is rainy outside and it's really hot here in Texas, so sometimes you just don't want to grill outside, and this is just a great alternative because you're gonna have some tasty ribs for lunch. I'm gonna have them for lunch, and it's just good. There we go. It'll fit. All right, let's have a taste. First, some mac and cheese. Good. All right. Ooh, ready? Oh, I need to put more barbecue sauce on top. I forgot about that. Oof. It's rainy out there. It's pouring rain. Okay, ready? Oh my God, this is so good. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this recipe. Bye. Don't mind me, I'm just eating.